CSPO Certification, a bridge to Agile leadership roles. What is CSPO certification? The CSPO certification is a valuable credential that demonstrates expertise in Agile product management and leadership. It is specifically designed for individuals who are responsible for representing the interests of stakeholders in Agile projects and ensuring that the team delivers maximum value. Agile leadership and CSPO certification. Agile leaders play a critical role in guiding teams through Agile transformation, fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation, and driving strategic leadership initiatives. CSPO certification, professionals can develop the skills and knowledge needed to excel in Agile leadership positions and help their organizations achieve greater levels of organizational agility. The role of a Scrum Product Owner. Certified Scrum Product Owner, individuals are responsible for defining the product vision, prioritizing the product backlog, and ensuring that the team delivers value to customers. Conclusion. In conclusion, CSPO certification is a bridge to Agile leadership roles, offering professionals the opportunity to develop the skills and knowledge needed to excel in Agile project management. By earning a CSPO certification, individuals can advance their careers, enhance their professional development, and drive Agile transformation within their organizations.